Hi guys, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna feed Bob right there. And then let's see if I can get a good look at him. There's the light. See if we do this, flickers. There's Bob right there in his little natural habitat we gave him. And we're gonna feed him these crickets very, very soon. We need to poke this lamp up on the wall when we do, but we're not doing that yet. So, what are you doing? What the heck is this? Ow! Poke myself. Look at that big boy. What's he doing? He's bending.
I will gladly pay you for those videos so I can post them on my YouTube channel. And to everyone else, definitely subscribe to my channel.
Anywho, hold on. Mama! Come on! Let's feed Bob. You can feed me after. I want to feed Bob first. A stick. It smells so good, Mommy. Whoa, you scared Bob. It's actually a girl, but he's already too attached to the name to change it now. Look at those hopping crickets. Oh my God, Mama. Make sure they fall into the water. Oh, here we go. There's all the crickets. Let's watch. Yes, Bob, eat. Okay, Bob ate a cricket. But he goes ham on these crickets sometimes. Sometimes he'll gobble like 2 at a time. One's on his look, one on his back. Take it right on his back. And his bag.
There's a cricket riding Bob.
Ooh, Bob ate it. Or something happened. Yes, Bob. Eat all your food. You crazy nuthead. Yes. Oh,
I don't think he got one with that one.
I swear, I thought he got 2. Maybe they might.
She's a vegetarian and Jewish. Husband is not. She was invited to Christmas dinner.
Come on, Bob. There you go.
Yeah.
Dos más.
Good boy, Bob.
2 more to go. Oh,
There you
1
go.
more.
No, 2 more. Yeah, 3 more to go. There's another
Oh,
one.
okay. I didn't see it floating there. You can't even see.
I know. Now we can. There we go.
He's just floating on by. Get him, Bob. Come on.
Just eat him. He's waiting until one of them moves.
Oh.
Yes. Do you eat the other one? No, it's still floating around, having a happy time.
Right next to him. Here it comes, here it comes, here it comes.
Eat it, Bob.
Here it comes. Get it. Eat it, Bobby. Come on,
Bob. Come on, squirm around. Dumb cricket. Wow. Kit, Laura! Stop barking at the poor kitties. I know you want to give them a bath, but they don't want a bath right now. That's probably where they're clawing your nose.
Look, it's literally right in front of him.
Bob, eat it. Dumb cricket. Oh, it's moving a little bit. Oh, come on,
I
Bob.
think he's trying to paddle away without Bob noticing. It's like, slowly, slowly, get away from the frog.
Come on, Bob.
also
Yeah.
get our hair and makeup done, slip into our bridesmaids' dresses, and hang out waiting for the
Jeez.
bride.
Okay. Come
She
on,
makes a comment saying I
Bob.
was and that she skipped her hair and makeup appointment. Took a few sips of wine and hoped the eerie feeling would go away.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, Bob. Now you're seeing something. What's that?
Guess who shows
Ooh,
up?
look who's moving.
She kissed mother-in-law. You win a cookie. Flushed from coming up the stairs, she is not a light woman. In full hair and makeup and a white dress. Not ivory, not cream. Full snow freaking white. The dress was clearly a wedding dress. It was even from David's bridal, which she would
Huh?
have shouted. Laura Lane sat with a sweetheart beaded top. A bit of a
Dish
trim
Network.
and off-white lace on the bottom. The dress was even tailored to her. This has been a long con she has orchestrated.
Oh, then I don't know.
The bride
We do have Dish.
and aunts and friends ushered mother-in-law out. We did our best to console
I
her.
don't remember what it's
Touched up her
called.
makeup and made her a promise the dress would never be seen in a photo. She looked me dead in the eye and nodded. The game was on. The venue only supplied white wine and champagne for the wedding party. But I grabbed my
Come
purse
on,
and
Bob.
went to the reception area and managed to fly an attempt by
Everybody
car.
wants to see you eat.
$20 bill
It's crazy.
I cracked the baby open, filled a solo cup to the brim with it, and stalked outside.
Yes! Ah!
Oh!
Bob! You're showing him mercy! Come on, Bob! Don't show him mercy. Eat him whole.
Do they make glasses for frogs?
It's because he's keeping one eye on you guys.
Oh, he got it. He got it.
Finally! Bye, everybody.
Say bye, Bob.
Bye.